Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable Eyecare mode or reading mode in Redmi K50i smartphone. Before we start the video, I would like you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. First of all, open the settings of the phone and choose the display. Now swipe up. You can see the option called the reading mode. You need to enter on that. Now you can schedule the reading mode on the particular time. So you can set the custom period or you can enable the good night read. So it will enable automatically after sunset. Otherwise, you can directly enable the reading mode. Also, you can change the mode of the reading mode. You can select the color temperature in the classic mode. Also, you can change the paper like that. So you can change the texture level, or you can choose black and white colors or light colors on settings. So it will very useful. You can see you can change the color temperature fully. Also, if you don't want the reading mode, you can disable from here. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.